Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a step-by-step guide to getting into top universities. Whether you're just starting high school or already in your junior year, this guide will help you navigate the path to your dream university. Let's start with 9th and 10th grades. These early years are all about building a strong academic foundation. Take challenging courses like honors or advanced classes if they're available. Develop solid study habits and aim for high grades because your GPA starts counting from freshman year. But don't just focus on academics. Explore different extracurricular activities. Join clubs, sports teams, music groups, or volunteer. Find what genuinely interests you. This is also the time to start building good relationships with your teachers and counselors. They can provide valuable support and write recommendation letters later. Now moving to 11th grade. This year is crucial for academic excellence and standardized test preparation. Start preparing for the SAT or ACT. Take practice exams, use test prep resources, and schedule your test early to allow time for a retake if necessary. Also, begin taking leadership roles in your activities. This shows initiative and commitment. Narrow down your academic interests and potential college majors. Research universities that match your goals and values. Don't base your choices solely on rankings. Consider factors like location, campus culture, programs, and support services. If possible, visit campuses or attend virtual tours and information sessions. By 12th grade, it's time to bring everything together. Start drafting your college essays in the summer before senior year. Be authentic and personal. Admissions officers want to see who you are beyond your grades. Ask teachers for recommendation letters early, ideally from those who know your character and work ethic well. Create a timeline to keep track of application deadlines, scholarship opportunities, and financial aid forms like the FAFSA. Maintain your grades because colleges will see your first semester transcript, and a dip in performance can raise concerns. Throughout all 4 years, stay curious, disciplined, and proactive. Look for summer programs, internships, or college courses to explore your academic passions and gain real-world experience. Take initiative in your community or school to show leadership and commitment. Reflect on your strengths, values, and goals. By the time you're ready to apply, you'll have a clear and compelling story to tell. With steady effort, strong planning, and genuine engagement, you'll not only be ready for reputable universities, you'll be a standout candidate. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on achieving your academic dreams. Here's a comprehensive Ivy League application timeline mapped out by grade level, from 9th to 12th grade, helping high school students stay organized, strategic, and ahead of deadlines. 9th grade, laying the foundation. The goal here is to build strong academic habits and explore interests. Academically, focus on getting high grades in core subjects and begin taking the most rigorous courses available, like honors or pre-AP. When it comes to extracurriculars, try different clubs, sports, music, volunteering, or other activities. Look for areas where you might want to grow into a leader. Develop strong reading habits and start journaling or blogging to build writing skills, which will help later with essays. Over the summer, attend enrichment programs or explore a new interest. Read books or take online courses in subjects you enjoy. 10th grade, developing interests and building a profile. The goal now is to start distinguishing yourself in academics and activities. Maintain a high GPA and continue challenging yourself with more advanced courses. In the fall, take the PSAT mainly for practice. Start narrowing your focus in extracurriculars, aiming for commitment and leadership in 1 to 3 key activities. Explore potential majors or fields of interest through summer programs, job shadowing, or independent research. During the summer, attend a more selective academic camp, intern, volunteer, or start a personal project aligned with your interests. 11th grade is all about preparing to apply. Your goal is to establish yourself as a serious applicant and prep your application materials. In the fall, take challenging courses like AP or IB level if they're available. Also, take the PSAT or NMSQT in October to qualify for national merit recognition. Deepen your leadership roles in clubs or community work. During the winter, SAT or ACT prep begins. Take a diagnostic test and decide on your target exam. Start building your college list, focusing on academic fit, campus culture, and financial aid policies. Build relationships with teachers who could write strong recommendation letters. In the spring, take the SAT or ACT. Usually your first official sitting is around March or April. Visit campuses if possible, including Ivy League schools, to get a feel for the environment. Draft a resume or a brag sheet of your achievements and involvement. And in the summer before 12th grade, begin your Common App account and work on your personal statement essay. Finalize your college list, which is usually 8 to 12 schools including safeties, matches, and reaches. Do something meaningful, like an internship, research, a volunteer project, or build on a passion, ideally something unique to your narrative. 12th grade is all about executing your application. Your goal is to complete and submit polished applications, keeping track of all deadlines. From August to September, finalize your Common App profile. Finish drafts of your personal statement and supplemental essays. Request letters of recommendation early, and give teachers at least a month. Register for final SAT or ACT test dates if needed, with the last chance being from August to October. Check each Ivy League school's early and regular decision deadlines. In October and November, submit early decision or early action applications, usually due by November 1st. Confirm your FAFSA and CSS profile are submitted for financial aid. Continue refining supplemental essays for regular decision schools. Prepare for interviews, as some Ivies may schedule alumni interviews around this time. In December, early admissions decisions are released around mid-December. If deferred, prepare a letter of continued interest. Finalize your regular decision applications. In January, submit your regular decision applications, typically due between January 1st and 5th. Ensure all test scores, transcripts, and recommendation letters have been received. From February to March, complete any follow-up items from schools, such as financial documents or interviews. Some Ivies may invite you to submit updates or additional materials. In April, admissions decisions are released. Typically, Ivy Day is in late March or early April. Attend admitted student events or virtual Quandas. Compare financial aid offers carefully. And by May 1st, which is National College Decision Day, you must choose and commit to one school. Notify other colleges of your decision to decline admission.